How to use WhatsApp AI imaging new features. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp imaging features. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So first of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp. Okay, here you can see WhatsApp Messenger. Make sure to update your WhatsApp. So now I have already updated my WhatsApp, so let me just get inside my WhatsApp. So here let me just select here one account. Okay, so here if we click on this icon here, pin icon, here you will get one option that is imaging. Here on the bottom you can see imaging icon. So if we click here, and here you can see what do you want to imagine. So here on the bottom you can see imaging anything. You can image anything. For example, if you want to send someone like a scary picture, okay, you can just write scary, okay, and then click on send. You just need to hold on. Okay, here you can see this type of things will be appeared. So for example, like building. Okay, here you can see you will get buildings. So this is the features. You can see you can change it. Again, you can go here, you can type beautiful girl. Just hold on, it will generate itself. Okay, so this is the very cool features from WhatsApp, that is Meta. You can see here. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.